Mothers are the salt of the earth, and without them, where would we be? Whether you are a biological mother, a stepmother, mother-in-law, grandmother, aunt, or big sister, on behalf of the board and staff of the PBCJ, we say Happy Mother's Day. Your role has been seminal and instrumental in shaping lives, holding families and communities together, and you have made significant contributions to the national fabric. We can never thank you enough. As we observe Mother's Day, even if you have no one around to celebrate with you, we urge you to do something special for yourself. Remind yourself of how important you are and have been in the lives of your children and those who helped to raise. Whether it has been a kind action or word, by an instruction or affirmation, or by a positive example, you have poured into the lives of others, preparing them to be fit and proper to take their place in society. And for those mothers whose children have flown the nest, today and every other day, stand tall in the confidence that you have nurtured and shaped individuals who have in some cases gone on to be movers and shakers locally and globally. You have been their life guide, their model, and rest assured when they become parents, they will harken back to the very same principles and patterns with which you raised them, even though at the time they did not necessarily appreciate it. To all mothers, to you we owe a debt of gratitude, and on Mother's Day and always we say thank you. Happy Mother's Day.